Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install OptiFine for Minecraft. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your Minecraft launcher and check, your game version or your Minecraft version. As you can see here, I have 1.21.11. So once that's done, close the launcher and now go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just type down, OptiFine. Right here, Minecraft. Hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on OptiFine downloads. Now go ahead and click on download right here and wait for the skip button right here at the top right to show, as this one right here at the center is just at. Click on skip and again hit on download and it will download OptiFine for you. As you can see here, it's almost done. Let's just wait for it. And once the download is done, you can now go ahead and close the browser. Open up the downloads folder. Right here, I'm just going to move it on my desktop. Now, as you can see, or as you might have noticed, it got the coffee icon. This one is a Java icon. So when you go ahead and right click on it and open with, Java TM platform should be available. Just click on it and it should be good to go. The installation process should begin. Now, what if you got an error? So to fix that, open up your browser again, find Java, hit on download Java right here, and just download the latest version right here at the top for Windows. Windows offline, 32 or 64-bit. Click on it, wait for the download process to finish, and once that's done, just go ahead and install it. Let's go ahead and move it right here. So first up, run Java or the Java installer. Double click on it, hit on yes. Hit on install, wait for the process to finish. And after this one, it may ask you to restart your computer. So just go and restart your computer. If not, just close it and right click on OptiFine, open with Java TM should be now available. Now in here, just go ahead and click on install. It may seem stuck right here. Just wait for it and then the OptiFine pop-up will be shown. So just click on OK. And then once that's done, go ahead and open up your Minecraft launcher. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, OptiFine should now be available in the list of your mod loaders. When you go ahead and go to installations right here, OptiFine, here is the installation folder and the mods folder. This is the folder where you could go ahead and transfer all your mod packs. And that is it. Now, if you want to know more about modding or Minecraft modding, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We have a ton of videos about it. And that's it for now. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.